Karem El.
Carmel.
Mount Carmel. Carmel, it means God's vineyard or the fruit of God. Ang ganda no, God's vineyard. Pipansin ko po, nung papunta po tayo dito, ang ganda. Dahil yung mga kahoy, di ba? Na kung saan doon kayo gano'n.
Kala ko tulog.
Hindi, nagising po ako dyan kanina, pero nakita po, ang ganda po dito, no? Meron pong awit. Ay, hindi na. Next time na yung awit na yan. Okay, that's Mount Carmel. Nangyari po yan dito sa mismong lugar na ito. That's why Elijah has shrine in this place. Now, who is Elijah? Si Elijah po ay isang prophet ng Panginoon Diyos. But before that, if you would see the Bible, we don't know his family background. We don't know when was he born, but we knew where he came from. He came from, hindi ko masyado memorize Tishbe in Gilead. Okay, pero hindi pa siya sikat. No? Hindi po siya sikat. But now, dito po sa chapter 17, bigla po siya nagpakita. Ang nangyari po dito, biglang siya po ang ginamit ng Panginoon Diyos upang sabihin kay King Ahab na walang ulan nor hamog. There would be no rain nor dew. Tama po ba yung hamog? Yung dew. So, how about King Ahab? Who is King Ahab? He was the king before in this northern part. Kasi na-divide na northern at southern. But he was the king dito sa northern part of Israel. So he was the husband of Queen Jezebel. And Jezebel was not an Israelite. Okay, Queen Jezebel, siya po ang nag-influence kay King Ahab to give Baal equal authority sa Panginoon Diyos. So parehas sila. In-influensya niya si King Ahab na magparehas lang yung authority. Meron sila ng Panginoon Diyos. But later on, through the influence of Queen Jezebel, inutusan niya rin na siya rin ang nag-oppose yung completely, yung pag-worship sa Panginoon Diyos, and she destroyed all the altars and killed prophets of God. That's why some of the prophets were hidden by Obadiah. Tinago niya sa mga ibang mga kuweba, sa mga ibang mga bundok. 50 prophets. Okay, now, that was King Ahab and Elijah. Now, nung sinabi nga ni Elijah kay King Ahab na walang ulan, alam niyo po ba kung ilang taon na walang ulan or hamog? It was 3.5 years. Grabe. Walang ulan, no hamog. Kapag walang hamog, walang tumutulo lang na konti. Talagang dry, super dry. So ano yan? It caused trouble to Israel. To the land of Israel. Sobrang problema. Di ba, naranasan po natin, kapag walang tubig, pag minsan walang iinumin. Pag walang tubig, walang panlaba. Walang panghugas ng pinggan. Walang panglinis sa pagkain na lulutuin natin. Pero isipin nyo, 3.5 years. No? Walang naliligo tulad nyo. Hindi pala. Walang naliligo. Isipin nyo, hindi naliligo yung balabait nyo.
Bira lang.
Ligo siya araw-araw.
Kasi hindi yung pinapaliguan. Joke lang yun. Diba? But imagine 3.5 years. No, alam nyo, sa akin, mas gugustuhin ko pang walang kuryente kaysa walang tubig. Diba? Mas maganda pa, walang kuryente, basta importante ang tubig. No, so, they don't have water. But one time, Elijah met Obadiah. One time, Elijah met Obadiah, a prophet of God. But this Obadiah, he serves in the temple of Ahab. So nagdamit sila, sabi ni Elijah kay Obadiah, sabihin mo kay King Ahab na mag-meet kami, parang appointment. Okay, so nag-meet sila one time. And alam niyo, nagkita sila ni King Ahab with Elijah. Sabi ni King Ahab sa kanya, ikaw ba si Elijah na nag-cause ng trouble sa Israel? Parang, actually, the reason why there was no rain, it's because of the leadership, the evil leadership of King Ahab and Jezebel. That's the reason why there was no rain. It was their fault. So it was the fault of Ahab, and yet, sinasabi ni Ahab kay Elijah, ikaw ba yung rason kung bakit nagkakaproblema ang Israelites? Nakita niyo ba yun? Pag minsan, sometimes we have that kind of attitude. Tayo po may problema, but we are blaming others. Tayo na po ang may kasalanan, but we are pointing our fingers to other people. Diba? Alam niyo po ba yan? Sometimes we are like Ahab also. One lesson that we could get also is that the root of our trials or problems. Bakit? Kasi, ayun, so sinabi niya, is it you who troubled Israel? Pero sinabi po ni Elijah po sa kanya, sabi niya, it is you, ikaw ang nagkasala because you have abandoned the Lord's command. Sabi po pala ni Elijah. So lesson is sometimes the root of our trials, our problems, or troubles is that we are like King Ahab. We have abandoned God. No? We don't follow His will, or in short, we are sinning. And some